big room today. Okay, so famous thing, we've heard this very many times. What does it mean that God is going to dwell in them? So I think I figured it out maybe. So, and it works because yesterday, Matt Lefferman came to me and goes, "You need to come to APAC with me because my wife can't come and I have the hotel and I got the ticket, let's go." And I'm like, "I'm going, we're doing it." And so that's what you have in this week's Parshat is the word ve'asu. So many times I can't even count it. Build this, bring this, do this, do. And that is the secret here. Because we said na'aseh v'nishma. And we said we're going to do, and we always learn, and then we will hear, or will obey. But I think it's actually something entirely different. It means if you do, then you'll be able to hear, and you can let God into your life. This is like preaching right here. And the idea of v'shadchanti b'tocham, what I read yesterday, is that in one of, I forgot who it was, but he basically says, this is where inspiration comes from when we keep doing. So we learn, like, you know, if you keep doing mitzvot and you finally understand them. The same thing here. Na'aseh v'nishma is getting wrapped up when God says, if you want to understand everything, you just have to do. And this kind of flips the whole Shabbat thing backwards because we just said Hayom Yom Shabbos Kodesh, and there's a whole Hasidic thought that says we're counting every day until Shabbat. I think it's the opposite. I think you don't get Shabbat until you do the first 6 days. And that's what enables you to deserve and understand and appreciate and bring God into your life. And that's maybe why the whole Mishkan, the Luchot are inside the Kodesh Kodeshim where we don't go in. And the last part is that everything we build, there's no God particle involved. It's our hands building everything in the Mishkan. There's no magic that's going on there until it's finished. And then the cloud comes in and the Shekhinah rests. But everything's up to us. So my first act was buying the ticket to APAC, and that helped me figure this out. So do something good this week. There you go. Rabbi Chanan ben Akashim